Cause you got that deep for me. Real love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching, baby. I know you want it, baby. I know you need it, trouble, but you want it on you. And I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this?
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What's good, loves? This your girl Asia XO, and welcome back to the channel. I found this gorgeous unit from DORSANEE here. I got her in a full lace 26-inch straight. So here's what the wig looks like straight out the package. The knots do look good. They are small. However, I'm going to bleach them and alternate the wig how I want it for today's photo shoot, so come get fly with me. I ended up bleaching the knots off camera, but I did use my BW2 and I used 40 Developer and mixed it together to lighten my knots. And reason why is because I want my updo to look natural. And here are the knots right after they were bleached, and it looks so much better. I did style the wig off camera on my mannequin, and I'm so glad that I did this, especially me kind of running late for my shoot. So yeah, this actually worked out good, and I'm glad that I did that. So I'm actually doing 4 layers of glue in the front, and I've actually talked about this in my last video where I did a 360 unit. So I'm just going to install this wig the same way I did with the 360 wig. I am taking 4 coats of glue and I'm waiting for them to dry in between each layer, and then for the back I'm going to do 3 layers. So I'm going to work on the front first before I get to the back, and then I'm going to style the hair.
Call me when you wanna get popped. 20 Montana with the racks. I be P on my back, double G's on my dash. I'm bad. I'm bad. When you wanna get
Soldier Boy tough. Hey, I got the new dance for y'all, called.
So when my glue is drying, I'm going to take a little bit of my lace tinting mousse and I'm just going to add this into the lace. Make sure that the lace matches my complexion and it just has like more of a natural look.
Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman? Now why me you crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman? Now why me you crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me in it? Why me roll? Superman, yeah, why me crank that Robocop? Super friend, now why me jocking on them, hate them, man. When I do that soldier boy, I lean to the left and crank that thing now. I'm jocking on them, and if we get the fight, get on.
Now that I got the front of the wig installed, I realized that this wig kind of runs a little bit small, but it's not bad. So I just happened to scoot the wig just a little bit more over towards the right, that where my full bang can cover that lace area that never did lay. So I'm going to tie the front part of my hair down, let it melt for a little minute, and then I'm going to get started trimming my bangs and then doing the back of my wig.
Crank it up for sure. Haters wanna beat me, soldier boy. I'm the man. They be looking at my neck, saying it's doable. Bang, bang, bang. Why me do? Why me do? Let's get to it. No, you can't do it like me. No, so don't do it like me. Oh, I see you try to do it like me. Man, that damn was ugly. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Wing Dixie, crazy. I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss off. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around the dunk. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash on. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
And you guys, please do not mind my application. I know my wig cap did not glue down like it was supposed to. I really should have just did a lineup or something, because I did not expect for my wig cap to do this. So I'm just like, great, I can't turn back now. The front already glued, just forget it. So I tried my best to make sure it didn't get on my baby hairs. A little bit of glue did, but I have some glue remover, so it shouldn't hurt that bad. But y'all, the wig cap that I used was super small. I was in a hurry. I'm kind of behind on my shoots. So I'm just like, you know what, whatever. We're just gonna thug it out. So I ended up slapping like 3 layers of glue in the back, and as you can see, it's kind of getting on my baby hair some. So yeah, I do not recommend that at all. I've done a better install than this. I've done so much better than this. But just enjoy the video. I'm gonna get this wig glued on, and then I'm going to style the hair, put some pin curls, and make a bun out of this, and just make something out of nothing. But if you're interested in the hair that I am using in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below. So yeah, be right back.
All around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up and around me, nigga ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what the time would it kill? We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on the button like a button, keep on that fake round and still getting ready to get a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Northeast and Southeast. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Bitch, that's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic when Mac 11's bad bitch. And she's Spanish. I fire that got a puzzle. We get nasty, I'm a daddish. I know a nigga ain't average. Nothing wrong with fake asses. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic. I'm geeking, I'm on it. Don't look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't stunning. If
that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal.
So here's the finished look, and this hair is doing exactly what it needs to do, and it's very beautiful. And I love the fact that the curls held the whole time. Even though I double extra sprayed my hair, the curls still last. Even when I was outside and the wind was blowing, the curls were still good. I got minimum to no shedding during the process of styling this unit. Very decent shipping and handling. I did receive my wig within like 3 to 5 days. The wig came with no odor, no smell. The hair is super soft. The curls last. I definitely give this wig 9 out of 10. And this is just the perfect hairstyle for my birthday for today. So thank you. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.